y'all, so it's your girl BlendedByDee, and I am back with another video. In this video, we're going to be talking about this beautiful $20 hair. Yes, sis, $20. Hello? You ever seen a wig look this good for $20? So I got this hair from my local beauty supply store. So this is the packaging that it came in. It's by Model, or Model, however y'all say that. It's by them. Sis, look at the price. Look at the price. Yes, it's a package it came in, but the paper that came with it, this is the paper that came with it. So the curl pattern is their fresh curl. Came in 3 bundle pieces, and I got the lengths 18, 20, and 22 in the color 1. It says it's safe up to 400, degrees for curling iron and stuff. So that's a good thing. But y'all, I am in love with this wig. So of course I did the hot glue gun method for this wig because I was not gonna sew $20 hair. Not worth the time. So I did the hot glue gun method. There's a bunch of videos out there for the hot glue gun method. I will post one day when I sit down and make another one. I'll post one. Matter of fact, it may be my next video. Comment below if y'all want to see that video. It's like, it only takes me an hour to do my closures, or even my frontals. It'll take me an hour. So using a hot glue gun, easier, still effective because my tracks is on there. Okay, closure is on there. And it's just, convenient. You need a quick wig out for the night for the club. Hot glue gun that shit up, girl. Go to local beauty supply store. Get you some $20 bundles. But yeah, y'all, I really love this hair. Excuse me. I really love this hair. Out the pack, you know how synthetic hair has that shine and that rough feel to it. These shits feel good. Excuse my language. But this hair feels amazing. Okay? Now what I did with this wig, I went through, when I was making this wig, I went through and I just chopped it up. With these synthetic wigs, you know what I'm saying? Even though they come in different lengths, they're still kind of close in length. And with curly hair, to make it look natural for synthetic hair specifically, you're going to have to chop it, chop through it, give it some layers or something, some volume. So all those curls won't look so tight on your back. And then you got a whole head full of synthetic wig that people, weave that people know about. So, go ahead, and I usually, right out the pack, all I did was, like I said, I cut it up, I put some foam on it, I sprayed some water on it, and I took my nails and my fingers and ran it through. Now, I did do a disclaimer. I am definitely a person, like you say, fake it till you make it. So I did end up buying a human hair closure, and I just, still the same thing, hot glued it on, and glued the rest of it. You just wanted to make it look more natural. And I feel like all those synthetic closures and stuff, they look a little bit of a mess. You know what I'm saying? You could finesse some stuff, but that's something I can't finesse. I'm not no hairstylist. I can't finesse that. So I suggest buying the cheapest human hair closure you can find. I bought one for $20. So with the hair and everything, I spent $40. Legit. And I look like I spent, nail got stuck. What was I saying? I forgot what I was saying. Oh yeah, so you fake it till you make it, sis. So if you want, you know what I'm saying? And all in all, I spent $40 and it looked like I spent $300. But let me not exaggerate, $250. But yeah, I really recommend getting this hair because, honey, I look good. I look like I'm finna go to the Dominican Republic, okay? I look like, hello, how you doing? Also, I think you can find this hair online. I don't know. I needed something quick to do, so I didn't have a chance to look and stuff. But I'm pretty sure you can find this hair online, like I said. That concludes this hair, this look, this review. Make sure you comment, like, subscribe on this video. Make sure you follow me on all social medias. I'll be posting it down below. Also, I think I'm gonna start making like one of these days like a wig Wednesdays or a tighten it up Thursday or something, you know, because I like doing my hair. I ain't no hairstylist, but I like doing my hair, and I think, you know, it's beneficial to show somebody else how they can save some coin. Hello, because we can look like $1,000,000, honey, but I spent 20. Hello. Talk to them nicely. Hello. But yeah. Also, great news. My eyelash line will be dropping on Friday 4th. So y'all go and make sure y'all support. Buy your girl some lashes. Buy you some lashes. You know what I'm saying? All of that. Slay, honey. So y'all go check my website out. You know what I'm saying? Let's see what else. I'm gonna start uploading more often because I know that I'm slack on my uploading. But I'm definitely gonna start doing that often. Be more consistent with y'all because clearly I got a problem being consistent. So, but I am gonna work on that because, yeah, I mean, I need y'all to save y'all coin. Okay, look like a bad bitch and save your coin. I want to help you, sis. But yeah, so alright, y'all, so that concludes this little video. I hope y'all enjoyed it. Make sure you comment, like, subscribe, and everything like that. And we out.